Retirement should be about enjoying life, not stressing over car insurance. But if you're a senior living in Virginia, your insurance needs may look a little different than they did years ago. Whether you're cruising through Shenandoah National Park or just running errands around town, having the right auto insurance is key to staying protected and saving money. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly what Virginia seniors need to know about car insurance. We'll cover why seniors need tailored auto insurance and smart ways to save on your policy. And if you want to compare quotes instantly and for free, head over to autoinsurance.org. Our free comparison tool lets you compare rates from top companies in seconds. As we age, our driving habits change. Maybe you're driving fewer miles, sticking to local roads, or just being extra cautious behind the wheel. That's exactly why seniors deserve coverage that reflects their lifestyle and rewards their experience. Insurance companies know that seniors tend to file fewer claims and drive more responsibly. The result? Many of them offer discounts, benefits, and features just for drivers 55 and up. So if you're curious how your driving experience could help you save, visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare quotes from different providers and explore top-rated senior auto insurance options today. Now let's dive into the top 10 auto insurance providers for seniors in Virginia. These companies not only offer competitive rates, but they also provide features that cater specifically to older drivers, like accident forgiveness, low mileage discounts, and exceptional customer service. Coming in at number 1, State Farm is best known for its personalized service. With coverage starting at just $42 per month for minimum coverage, they offer exceptional customer support with agents who take the time to help seniors find the right coverage. State Farm is widely recognized for its strong reputation and commitment to personalized service, making it a top choice for many seniors. Ranked number 2, The Hartford is best for senior discounts, especially for AARP members. Minimum coverage starts at $50 per month, and their accident forgiveness program adds peace of mind for senior drivers. The Hartford's deep understanding of the needs of seniors, combined with its exclusive discounts, makes them a favorite among older drivers. Coming in at number 3, Liberty Mutual is best for comprehensive coverage, offering perks like roadside assistance and rental car reimbursement. With a wide range of optional coverages, seniors can easily tailor their insurance to meet their specific needs. Minimum coverage starts at $86 per month, providing extra protection for those who want more coverage and flexibility. Ranked number 4, Allstate offers top-notch claim support with fast, reliable service for seniors. Their straightforward claims process, along with the DriveWise program that rewards safe driving, adds extra value. Starting at $70 per month for minimum coverage, Allstate provides a solid option for those who prioritize claim assistance. Ranked number 5, Nationwide is best for vanishing deductibles, reducing your deductible the longer you stay accident-free. Starting at $46 per month, their policies help seniors save as they drive safely. This unique feature gives seniors an incentive to stay accident-free while reducing their costs over time. Looking to save on your car insurance? Head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare insurance rates and find the best deals today. Taking the number 6 spot, Farmers is known for policy flexibility. It allows you to customize your insurance to meet your specific needs, whether it's car or home insurance. With minimum coverage starting at $67 per month, Farmers also offers a wide array of discounts, making it easier for seniors to find affordable options that suit their lifestyle. Ranked number 7, American Family is best for gap coverage if you owe more than your car's worth. American Family's comprehensive options and focus on senior drivers make them a strong contender in the market, with minimum coverage starting at $55 per month. Ranked number 8, Travelers is best for safe drivers, offering discounts to seniors who prioritize safety on the road. With minimum coverage starting at $49 per month, Travelers rewards responsible driving, helping seniors save money while ensuring they're well protected. Their commitment to safe driving makes them an excellent choice for those looking to lower costs without compromising on coverage. Coming in at number 9, Auto Owners Insurance is known for customer satisfaction. Starting at $35 per month for minimum coverage, they offer personalized service and fast claim resolutions. Their focus on customer care makes them a reliable choice for seniors, ensuring peace of mind and prompt assistance when needed. Finally, ranked number 10, Progressive is best for usage-based savings. Their Snapshot program rewards safe driving with discounts, helping seniors save while encouraging safer driving habits. With minimum coverage starting at $41 per month, Progressive offers an excellent way for seniors to reduce their insurance costs over time while promoting responsible driving. Each of these providers brings something unique to the table, whether it's low rates, senior discounts, or tailored coverage options. The best choice for you will depend on your personal needs, so it's important to shop around and compare. Want to find the best car insurance for your needs? Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to get started and secure the best rates today. Now that we've gone over some of the best insurance providers for seniors in Virginia, let's talk about how you can save even more. Here are some easy ways you can lower your auto insurance premium without sacrificing the coverage you need. First, bundle your policies. One of the best ways to save on auto insurance is by bundling your car insurance with another policy, like your homeowner's or renter's insurance. Many companies, including State Farm and Progressive, offer significant discounts when you bundle. Not only does it save you money, but it also simplifies your life by keeping all your policies in one place. Next, consider taking a defensive driving course. Many insurers, like the Hartford and Allstate, offer discounts to seniors who complete an approved defensive driving course. These courses don't just refresh your skills, they show insurers that you're serious about safety. Another great way to save is to ask about low-mileage discounts. If you're retired or simply drive less, you might qualify for a low-mileage discount. Insurers like Geico and Nationwide offer this discount to drivers who are on the road less frequently. It's a great way to lower your premium if you're not driving as much as you used to. Now let's talk about using telematics or safe driving programs. Many companies, including Progressive and Allstate, offer telematics programs that track your driving behavior. These programs monitor your driving habits, and if you're a safe driver, you can earn discounts. It's a great way to prove to your insurer that you're low risk and deserve to pay less. Lastly, don't forget to review your policy every year. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. Whether you've moved, stopped driving as much, or received a new discount, a yearly review ensures you're getting the best possible deal. Remember, if you're looking to compare quotes quickly, head over to autoinsurance.org today and use their free comparison tool to get fast, accurate quotes from top providers. Choosing the best auto insurance as a senior in Virginia is all about finding a policy that matches your unique needs. Whether it's a provider with personalized service, senior discounts, or comprehensive coverage, the right choice will not only give you peace of mind, but also save you money. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button so we know we're helping you make informed decisions. Share your tips or experiences in the comments. Your advice might be exactly what another senior in Virginia needs. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos and expert tips on how to save money, protect yourself on the road, and make smarter insurance decisions. As a senior, you've earned the freedom to enjoy the open road, and the right auto insurance ensures that freedom stays protected. It's about securing peace of mind, so you can drive with confidence and enjoy the journey ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.